How to delete any saved video or picture from Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete any saved video or picture from Pinterest. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, here what you can do is you can just tap on the saved tabs which can be seen at the top. And now from here you can simply find the video or picture that you want to remove, and once you've found it you can just tap on it. Now here in this section you can just tap on the three dot icon just below that particular saved images or videos. And now here from the pop-up menu, what you can do is you can just tap on the remove pin options if you find there, or you can just go back and find that particular pins that you want to remove. And now here, once you tap on that particular three dot, you can just tap on edit option. And now here in this section you can just select delete this pin and confirm by tapping on delete again. And once you do that, it will delete any saved video or picture from Pinterest. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.